Are you tired of constantly clearing your throat? If so, you're not alone. Well, there may be a remedy for that. In this video, we'll explore natural remedies to help you stop the cycle of throat clearing once and for all. We'll discuss what causes constant throat clearing and how to get rid of it with simple lifestyle changes. Stick around until the end to learn our secret bonus remedy that can help make all the difference. Constant throat clearing is usually caused by allergies, sinus issues, or postnasal drip. To combat these symptoms, try taking an antihistamine or decongestant medication. You can also reduce environmental allergens like dust mites and pet dander by regularly cleaning your home and frequently washing bedding in hot water. Additionally, drinking plenty of fluids helps lubricate mucous membranes, which could reduce irritation in your throat, as well as using a humidifier if needed. Beyond medications and lifestyle changes, there are several natural remedies that have been shown to provide relief from constant throat clearing, such as gargling with salt water or apple cider vinegar solutions, or sipping on herbal teas like chamomile or licorice root tea, which may soothe irritation in the back of the throat. I have two surprise bonuses for you. First bonus remedy, adding peppermint oil drops directly into your mouth has been known to provide temporary relief from chronic coughing due to its anti-inflammatory properties. Second bonus, studies have shown that singing can actually help relieve constant throat clearing. Singing helps to strengthen the muscles in the throat and can reduce inflammation. So, why not try singing in the shower or joining a local choir to see if it helps? You never know, you may become a singer after all. We hope you found this video informative and helpful. As always, consult with your doctor before making any changes in your medication. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons for more videos.